So when I first came to Poland around 9 years ago, I hated to eat the cheesecake. But as the years went by, I tasted different variations of the cheesecake. You have the most popular ones that are the cheesecake from Krakow and the Austrian cheesecake, that's the Viennese cheesecake with the influence coming from Austria. But there are also many different types of variations. Every grandmother or every chef has their own version. I've put together a few techniques. Also, the Polish cheesecake is very heavily influenced by other European cities. So let's make this beautiful The first thing you need to do is get all the ingredients ready from down in the description box below. Start off by taking your room temperature butter and your powdered sugar, add it to a stand mixer or do it by hand, and on a low setting, let it cream. Then add your egg yolks, and once it's mixed, add in your flour and your citrus zest. This is optional. It gives it a nice flavor. Add your baking soda and your salt, and once it's nicely mixed and forms into a dough, place it onto a cling film and in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Now for the filling, into a bowl with the eggs and the egg yolks, sugar, and whisk this mix until it turns into a nice fluffy pale yellow color. You could also use a stand mixer. In with the cream cheese. This is a full fat cream cheese from Poland, but you could use a Philadelphia cream cheese or any other kind of cream cheese. Just don't use mascarpone. Very important to fold your mixture in, do not whisk it in. Add your flour, your salt and your vanilla extract. Roll your dough into the shape of your mold. I'm going to use a round mold here, so I'm also going to use some parchment paper to give it that nice Basque cheesecake look. In with the cream cheese mix and into the oven at 200 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once it's done, you'll have a nice fluffy cheesecake. To top it off, I'm going to use a seasonal fruit. Here, blueberries are in season, so I've just marinated my blueberries in some orange juice and sugar. Top it off with some candied orange zest and some powdered sugar. And there you have it. Now, if you want a smoother surface, you could use a straighter parchment paper, but I wanted that nice rustic, rough Basque look. So I went in with my parchment paper, but how you want to present your cake is up to you. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my cheesecake. Till next time, this is me signing off. Bon appetit.